Take two.
Hi, hello. My name is Dave Garcia, and I am 19 years old.
We're here in...
We're here in Daranak, at Tanay Rizal.
Those are my friends.
Hey friends, say hello. Hey, say hello naman ka dyan.
Hello!
Yan.
Okay.
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Kantahin mo na lang.
I don't know what to say. Ano sunod na pa? Ayun. Oh, just a little bit dangerous. You pack your bag, you pack your bag. You take control, you take the control. You're moving into my heart and into my soul. Get out of my way,
Tingin.
get out of my sight. F4, F4. Ano ang sunod doon? Tanong mo yung
I'm walking and tonight, and that is a night. What's your word? What's your game?
I know.
I know your business, but I don't want name. Hold on tight. You know she's a little bit dangerous.
She's got what it takes to make us it. The eyes for lover, hit like it. Tama ba?
You know she's a little bit dangerous.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat.
Mani Pacquiao.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa supporter ko. Thank you. Sa lahat.
Ano masasabi mo sa nung nakaraan laban mo?
Knockout.
Knockout.